Sifuna is the talk of the town, and he's taking away Matiang'i supremacy. In fact, in my poor reasoning, Sifuna and the company are being used to neutralize Matiang'i superiority.
Can I be honest? That is a shallow way of looking at politics. We are not competing who's supposed to be powerful and who's not. We are looking for the best candidate. If we reach Motugaiga and find the best candidate is Sifuna, what do you do? If you go ahead, we must represent a position, Yoko other Kenyans, that we will provide a candidate to Yori Matiang'i, but we are comfortable with other opposition leaders to come on board because we need more people. You see this narrative where people think that by now angatua declare Matiang'i nere candidate, in fact angachukura jiereta wa Kenya wagete. It is a very painstaking example on how you put human personality, human intelligence, human capacity for you to achieve a goal you're going to be president. So people need to stop assuming it is so simplistic. What we are doing is very simple. Unless we remain a team, the opposition, what is going to happen?